Nagging. It's hard to put up with. I mean, example, my wife hates it when I spit. And to be fair, I should probably stop aiming at her mother. You know, I can see where she's coming from there. One of the knock-on effects of marriage is that I'm putting a little less effort into my comedy. I'm getting a bit more lazy. Because, you know, why do you do comedy? To get girls. Have a girl, hence a bit lazier with the comedy. So here's the audience participation again. You'll have to get involved here, but you'll know what to do. This is an example of the laziness that I'm talking about. This is a joke I've written recently. Knock knock.
Who's there?
I honestly haven't got a clue.
Hey!
Think about it. Okay. I like to finish sometimes with a magic trick, but for this I will need a beautiful female assistant. Volunteer from the audience? Not a female? Unless there's something we don't know. Would you mind? Thank you very much. Round of applause, please. What's your name?
Orla.
Welcome to the stage, Orla. Witty banter, endearing both myself and Orla to the crowd. Okay, so at this point I'm going to pass the mic to you. You can hold that. Deck of cards, we'll get a random participant to shuffle them very quickly.
Can't shuffle the shit.
We'll get you to pretend to shuffle them very quickly. Allez, thank you very much. Okay, let's practice speaking into the mic there.
Okay, well.
Excellent. Okay, so what I need you to do is pick a card, any card.
I've heard that one before.
Excellent stuff. Thank you very much. Okay, now I'm going to turn away, I'm going to look away. And I want you to show the card to the audience. Okay, now I'm going to turn back. So you're ready for that?
Ready.
You're satisfied now?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have satisfied a woman in 100